when your girl is out here ready to film and Lorraine's like, nah fam, nah, today, nah, not today. So what am I supposed to do with this face though? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So as you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be reviewing this Lime Crime Highlight Blossoms palette. Now disclaimer you guys, if you guys hear thunder and rain outside, I really do apologize. I've literally been sitting with this face bead for like half an hour trying to decide should I film or not. But anyway, let's just hop into this review. So just like the Venus palette, which is sitting right there, I will leave the review up in the cards. This comes in a clear sort of packaging, which like I said I really like because then it doesn't take away from the actual packaging of the product, if that makes sense. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like an iridescent pinky sort of color shift, almost holographic but not really. And then when you open the packaging, it comes with a clear sleeve, and this is what the highlighters look like. So as you guys can see, I've already used these highlighters and I've already swatched them, but I'm going to be swatching them real time for you guys on camera. I'm just going to finger swatch these three on the back of my hand. This is what they look like. And the pigmentation on these is absolutely breathtaking. So I got this palette from the International Cosmetic Boutique, and I'm just going to be reading the description off of the website. It says that this product is inspired by delicate blossom petals. This trio of glimmering powders lends every skin tone an ethereal pixie-like glow. In 3 iridescent shades of gilded rose gold, bronze and lavender, each color adaptive to suit every complexion and can be layered for an intense strobe lit finish, which I think is amazing. So I'm going to be swatching this on my face today. And yeah, let's get into the swatching. I just zoomed you guys in so you guys can see what's happening on my face. So this color right here is called Warm Gold, this is called Lavender, and this one right here is called Sunset. So basically I'm going to be highlighting with these two, and then I'm going to try and use this almost as like a blush because it is a very dark highlight color. I'm gonna try and make this work. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with a fan brush. This is my Switch Beauty Metal Gloss Range brush. Just dipping this into here. Doesn't really have fallout of sorts, and I'm just going to pop that onto my cheek. It is very, very pigmented, as you guys can see. I'm also just gonna highlight in my temples, and I'm just gonna build up with the second layer. Oh my goodness, this highlight is blinding. But this highlight is so pigmented, you really don't need any setting spray or anything of that sort to amplify this glow. And then taking a duo fiber brush, because we want to see how these highlighters perform with different brushes, I'm going to pick up that lavender shade and highlight my left cheekbone. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this color is just beautiful. Can you guys see that? This purple is just beautiful. It's not overpowering where it looks crazy on the skin. So then I'm going to be going in with this Sunset shade, taking it on this brush, and I'm just going to like put it underneath this highlight and see how that works. Oh, it is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And then I'm also going to take a little bit of Warm Gold and hit it right on top of this lavender shade, because I find that like if it's a bit scary to kind of wear the lavender shade by itself, just put a little bit of Warm Gold on top and it kind of makes the lavender shade look like a blush. So yeah, I will say that I really do like these highlighters. I feel like they are so finely milled that they like, it's like they disappear into your skin so well. It's like the prettiest thing ever. They look so beautiful on the skin. They are super reflective, which I feel like is amazing. Obviously the only color in this palette that I would say is a little bit of a miss is probably this bronze shade, and that's because it's like too dark. But I mean, they do say that you can mix all the shades together to create custom highlight shades and like strobe shades. So I mean, I'm really not mad about this color because I would definitely use this as an eyeshadow. Now this palette retails for 800 Rand on the International Cosmetics Boutique website, and you do get 21 grams of product in here. It is also vegan and cruelty free, which is really bomb. Now in comparison with another highlighter that I have, this is the Jouer highlighter, which I also got from the International Cosmetics Boutique. This is the Jouer highlighter in the shade Citrine, and this is 4.5 grams. So this is 600 Rand and you get 4.5 grams, and this is 800 Rand and you get 21 grams of product. Now note, you can also use this as eyeshadow and all that great stuff. So personally, I do think that you are getting your money's worth if you invest in a palette like this. A lot of highlighters are like 800 Rand, you're literally only getting one color, but this is 800 Rand and you're getting 3 colors, and they do have variation of shades. So I think they have a mermaid's palette, and I think they also have another palette in this if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I would highly recommend these highlighters. I would say for women of color, if you're my skin tone and upwards, these are beautiful highlighters to have. And yeah, I would say, like I said, this color is a little bit of a miss, but it's not like I'm not going to use it because I do think it would be amazing as eyeshadow. So that is pretty much the only gripe I have with this palette. I do really like the fact that they worked in color into this palette, but when you put it on the skin, it is not overpowering. You don't look like a disco ball, or you don't look like something out of a scary movie, you know. So yeah, overall I really do like this palette. I highly recommend it. I think if you're beauty on a budget, it is definitely worth investing. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have been enjoying these review videos, comment down below, let me know, and I will keep the reviews coming. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with Amazon makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.